o bàbá mi oore rẹ lórí ayé mi mo tún tẹ kakulétọ̀ oore rẹ lórí ayé mi ọlọ́run ìyanu n ò róhunkóhun ṣí bẹ́ẹ̀ n ò róhunkóhun rò mo wá ní kí ni ibi ìlì mi lọ́dọ̀ rẹ oníṣà máa dúpẹ́ oní ọpẹ́ rẹpẹtẹ ló béèrè lọ́wọ́ mi ayérayé ọlọ́run tó lọ́kànrin kése bàbá àgbàlagbà arúgbó ọjọ́ ọjí kan lùkan pa ọ̀pá kan wò kan yè gbanigbani tá ń sáyà mo ní mo forí ṣèṣirò oore rẹ n ò róhunkóhun ṣí mo tún tẹ kakulétọ̀ n ò róhunkóhun ó jàre mo ní kí ni bíìlì mi lórí oore rẹ lórí ayé mi oníṣà máa dúpẹ́ ọlọ́pẹ́ ló ń jẹ rẹ mo ní o mọ̀dọ̀ ọpẹ́ mi sí mi láyà dákun tẹ́wọ́ gbọpẹ́ mi lójoojúmọ́ n ó mọ̀ dúpẹ́ ni n ó mọ̀ fìyìn fún ọ ni n ó mọ̀ gbé ọ̀gá ayérayé mo mọpẹ́ mi wá bẹ́ẹ̀ ni lójoojúmọ́ n ó mọ̀ dúpẹ́ lójoojúmọ́ n ó mọ̀ fìyìn fún ọ ni nítorí pé kí ni mo forí ṣèṣirò láti ka oore tó ṣe nínú ayé mi wọn ò mọ rí nǹkan kankan ó pọ̀ ní rẹpẹtẹ mo tún tẹ kakulétọ̀ bóyá kakulétọ̀ lè ràn mí lọ́wọ́ láti ṣe àwọn ìṣirò yìí kakulétọ̀ gan ń pé ẹ̀rọ ní gbé bọ́tà ṣùgbọ́n mo wá béèrè lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run pé kí ni kí n wá mú wá báyìí oní ọpẹ́ náà ló ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ mi wọ́n sì mọ dúpẹ́ wọ́n mọ yìn ọ́ ni olórin kan ní lójoojúmọ́ ayé mi ni wọ́n mọ̀ gbé ọ̀gá lójoojúmọ́ ayé mi ni wọ́n mọ̀ kọrin tuntun sí ọ wọ́n mọ̀ yàn nítorí pé ẹbọ ọpẹ́ òun náà ló béèrè lọ́wọ́ mi gbogbo ọtọ́ ti darapọ̀ mọ́ mi lóore ní ẹjẹ́ àjọ máa rú ẹbọ ọpẹ́ sílẹ̀dùmarè nǹkan kínkín tí bàbá mọ̀ bí wá òun náà mọ̀ lélẹ́yìí ẹ má jẹ́ ká ya àbàrà mú oore jẹ ká máa rú ẹbọ ọpẹ́ lójoojúmọ́ kí n máa fi eléyìí kí yín káàbọ̀ sórí àkọ́tún ètò ìjíròrò òwúrọ̀ lọ́jọ́ tèmi lórí Kaftan television Yorùbá tiyín orúkọ tèmi Ọlá Onabajo ayọ̀lúwa ṣeun ńlá fún mi aláṣàkẹ́ tiyín gangan tí ò kọ́ mọ́ ọ̀nà ẹ̀sùn ọ̀gbẹ́ tí n bá ti dé nǹkan kan máa kí ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi pé ṣáàfíà ni ṣé dáadáa lẹ́wà ṣé mo bá yín re ọ̀dẹ̀ ń kọ́ ìyẹn ò dùn bí ọ̀dẹ̀ wa mọ̀ dùn ní láṣẹ Ọlọ́run ọba mi kò ní kan ọ̀rọ̀ bí ẹkún bí òṣè kò ní wọlé tọ̀ wá lọ́lọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba mi ọba òkè ẹ̀sùn pé tí n bá ti dé èmi àti àwọn àlejò náà lájọ máa ń dé àlejò mi pàtàkì tájọ sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́ni wọ́n ti wà ń kalẹ̀ wọ́n wà ń digbí nígbà tí kò bá tó ẹ̀ ó rè ojú wọn nígbà yẹn ọ̀rọ̀ mọ̀ràn kékeré tí mo kó wá tájọ fi gbara wa níyànjú lẹ́ni òun náà ni mo pe àkórí ẹ̀ ní mo fi gọ̀gọ̀ fà á mo fi gọ̀gọ̀ fà á àwọn kan pé òun ọwọ́ mi ò tó má sì fi gọ̀gọ̀rẹ́ bọ́lẹ̀ bó o bá lọ fi gọ̀gọ̀rẹ́ bọ́lẹ̀ bá lọ jálù ọ́ lórí ó ṣeé ṣe kó mọ̀ jẹ́ ẹlẹ́jọ́ rẹ ní òwì wọ́n pé ẹni wọ́n bá fi orí rẹ̀ fágbọn bó bá ṣẹnu mọ̀lọ́kù kò ní jẹ́ ń bẹ̀ ẹ mọ̀ jẹ́ àmọ́ fi gọ̀ǹgọ̀ fa ohun ọwọ́ wa ò tó ẹ jẹ́ àmọ́ dúró de àsìkò Ọlọ́run ẹ jẹ́ máa dúró de àsìkò tiwa ẹ mọ̀ jẹ́ àmọ́ gbọ̀nà ẹ̀bùrú ẹ mọ̀ jẹ́ àmọ́ sẹ́kọ́nà nígbà bá yẹ ká tọ́ tààràtààrà ká sì fi dé gbogbo ibi tí Elédùmarè ní ìpinnu fún wa sí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn ló máa sọ pé mi ò fẹ́ di bàbá Ijirè bí o ìforí mi ó pa o ìforí tì í mọ́ o n tí ń bẹ lẹ́yìn ẹ̀fà ó mà ju èje lọ ẹ mọ̀ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ fi gọ̀gọ̀ fà á ẹ jẹ́ ká tọ́ lọ́nà tó yẹ ká tọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká rìn bó ṣe yẹ ká rìn ẹ mọ̀ jẹ́ ká rèé mọ̀ kojú bọ ohun tí ò tọ́ àti ohun tí ò yẹ nítorí ìbá méjì kọ́, nítorí ìbá mẹ́ta kọ́, nítorí àtúbọ̀tán ni. Nígbà tí àtúbọ̀tán bá dé, ká máa fi ìka àbámọ̀ sí ẹnu. Bá sì ti mọ̀ kí n mọ̀ tọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀, bá sì ti mọ̀ kí n mọ̀ kánjú, bá sì ti mọ̀ kí n mọ̀ sáré àsápajúdé. Lórí ètò ìjíròrò òwúrọ̀ lẹ wà lórí Kaftan television Yorùbá tiyín. Gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo sì rán mẹ́nu lóòrè ni ó náà ni pé má fi gọ̀gọ̀ fà á, má fi gọ̀gọ̀ fa ọmọ ọwọ́ rẹ ò tó, mú sùúrù kí àdẹ́dà àṣẹ̀dá kó ṣe tiẹ̀ náà lásìkò tó máa yẹ ẹ́, lásìkò tí gbogbo àgbáyé tán máa kí ẹ pé òkú oríire. Ẹ jẹ́ ń dé òkè lọ́hùn kiri fi ẹsẹ̀ rájò. Nígbà tí màá bá fi padà dé, èmi àti àlejò mi lájọ máa dé. Ẹ kú kalẹ̀, ẹ má ti lọ síbi kankan. À ń padà bọ̀. Sórí ètò ìjíròrò òwúrọ̀ lórí Kaftan television Yorùbá tiyín. Ẹ̀yin fún àǹfààní ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ṣe ń darapọ̀ mọ́ mi, mo sọ fún alẹ́ kan. Mo ní orúkọ tèmi Ola Onabajo. Aya ló wá ṣe ńlá fún mi. Bẹ́ẹ̀ dẹ̀rẹ́, èmi àti àlejò mi pàtàkì náà láti jọ padà dé láti ilé agodo wa. Wọ́n sì wá wà ń kalẹ̀ báyìí, wọ́n ti wá ń digbí. Àlejò mi ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò.
Ẹ rọ mà.
Ǹlẹ́ ṣe dáadáa lẹ dé.
Very fine ma.
Ó ga jù. Ẹ ti rí ojú àlejò ẹ rí pé owó ẹ̀rín gan ni. Àlejò mi mú dé. Ẹ lé ní. Ọkọ ẹ̀rín tó pọ̀ wà. Ǹlẹ́ ṣe dáadáa lẹ dé.
Very fine ma.
Ògbólé ńkọ́.
Very fine ma.
Ẹ ti rójú àlejò mi báyìí. Àlejò mi ẹ bá mi ṣe àfihàn ara yín fáwọn ará ilé.
Okay, orúkọ tèmi ni David Destiny. I'm a music producer, artist, music business person. I'm also everything I do. Nǹkan tí mo ṣe ó evolve around music. That's all.
Gbogbo tí à ń ṣe ó evolve around
music.
Èbó ni gbogbo tẹ̀sán yẹn. Music producer.
Okay.
Kí ni wọ́n ń pè ní Yorùbá?
Àwọn
tó máa ń porin pọ̀.
Okay.
Ní mo ṣe interpreter. Music business. Business mélòó lẹ ń ṣe nídìí business? Ṣé ẹ ń ṣe tutor? Ṣé ẹ ń ṣe music business?
Music business.
In terms of
I train people how to play instruments.
How to play instruments.
Yeah,
how to sing.
How to sing.
Wọ́n ṣe máa tẹ ohun èlò orin. Wọ́n ṣe máa kọrin. Ẹ rí i pé àwọn tí wọ́n ń jẹ owó ìlú yìí, ìkan lára wọn lájọ wà lórí ètò lénìí. Nítorí èmi ò tẹ̀ fẹ́ béèrè kí n tẹ̀ tó padà sí di music business yẹn. Àwọn èèyàn máa ń sọ pé even iṣẹ́ ọrọ̀ ajé tó ní owó lórí jù ní ìlú wa yìí nísìnyí ó ti bọ́ sí entertainment. Ṣé tó tọ́ ni?
Well, tó tọ́ ni. Because tí èèyàn bá kú ẹ máa pe olórin. Níbi birthday ẹ máa pe olórin.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Kò sí nǹkan tí ẹ fẹ́ ṣe láyé ẹ máa pe olórin. Lọ́run gan tó wà ń bẹ.
Kí lẹ pè?
Lọ́run gan àwọn olórin wà ń bẹ. Ọ̀run.
Ṣé ẹ ti dé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni?
Mi ò tí ì dé bẹ́ẹ̀ kàá. So as a music is really
music is business.
Yes ma.
Good. Ṣé ìwà wò pé nǹkan yẹn ló ń kọ̀sẹ̀ tí àwọn èèyàn tán fi tẹ́bárẹ́ lè nísìnyí sọ pé ọmọ máa gbọ́rẹ̀ o orin ni mo ṣe. Ṣé nǹkan yẹn ló ń kọ̀sẹ̀ táwọn èèyàn fi ń ṣe iṣẹ́ orin nísìnyí?
Well, okay. I can actually speak in English, right?
Yes,
okay. Some people are actually talented.
Wọ́n sọ pé àwọn èèyàn kan wọ́n ní ẹ̀bùn tó pọ̀.
And some people actually know the music business side of the industry.
Wọ́n ní àwọn èèyàn kọ́ dẹ̀ lélẹ́yìí ohun tí Ọlọ́run rán wọn wá ṣe ni bá a ṣe ń sọ music tá a ṣe ń sọ orin di owó. Ẹnìsúnlẹ̀.
Àti nísìnyí báyìí sí àwọn tó ń pé wọ́n mọ business side the music yìí báyìí sí wọ́n ti wá sọra wọn di artist because they know how to sell the songs, they know how to make the songs go viral. And average talented person believes that tí àwọn èèyàn bá fi lè gbọ́ ohun ẹ̀ tó dùn orin yẹn máa go viral. And it doesn't happen like that.
It doesn't.
I was telling somebody in the studio yesterday, like, okay, let me ask you this question. Is Naira Marley talented?
Yes,
I was asking the person. Because there is, I'm just, I've seen tons of people. I mean, when you listen to them, like, so what are you doing here?
I'm telling you.
But the thing is, especially, okay, fine, I'm actually going to be eating more gospel,
Today.
I'm sorry.
I do.
An average gospel, artist believe that Timothy showing Timothy is released by But a secular person composes songs, does the production and promotes the song with the intention of it going viral.
Benny.
We don't do things like that. We just believe you have to drop by move. The highest thing an average gospel artist do is to drop songs on blogs. It doesn't work like that. Till date, Davido is still doing.
I want disturb lórí WhatsApp ẹ bá mi call. Ṣé yẹn náà fi máa ní gbogbo àgbáyé fi máa mọ̀.
But you won't, this stuff. The thing is, I want to
tell Davido lọ.
Yes, ma. Davido is still promoting If I tell you, say he's still promoting the song in Amsterdam. She said, if. But then to drop if. Have you watched the Coming to America, the movie?
Yes.
Davido is representing us big time. Mommy, I'm telling you this, and I'm not saying this to shade any gospel artist.
The
highest gospel artist will walk in the UK in 10 streets, and nobody will say, wow, can I take a picture with you? You will walk into a grocery store, and nobody will actually say, wow, you're my favorite, or something like that. I mean, no, but let me buy you small doctor, man, what UK? Mommy, by God's grace, I'm a blogger, and we have, and there's something we call arithmetic, where you see the countries of the ones that are downloading, a particular song. If you check iTunes, check the ones that are downloading Small Talk songs, CDQ and all those people. They are white.
Benny.
Because for sale in this country, especially gospel artists, freely you are giving, freely you should give. What are you telling me? After paying for studio session? I don't understand. For studio session. Mommy, the last time when I had a discussion with someone, because my mom is discussing,
it's good.
Now, the person said that how can we crop, or probably how do we provide solution to people paying gospel artists for their content? I said that if you want such to happen first, you have to start ticketing your programs.
I gbọ́dọ̀
you have, I told them you didn't drop on you because it's like in the contract, not because I can't keep doing this. It doesn't work like that.
It doesn't work
now,
like that.
I want to bring our notice to something. When somebody says that, okay, as a gospel artist, we are bringing you for our program, and you tell the person, okay, fine, this is my charge, and the person says that you are charging for God's work. Now this is it, because when I pay Lomi, some I want Lomi not school, but they don't, but they are not schooled.
They are not schooled.
Yeah, no, they are not schooled. But the education is not.
It's not.
Now this is it. It is called gospel music. You see, the gospel there cannot be bought. It cannot be bought. It is not buyable. Jesus has already finished the work.
Benny.
It is the music you are buying.
Yes.
I invested money to be skillful. I buy materials.
Benny.
The Bible is a manual that everybody has. But the thing is, these skills are not. So the thing is, if a pastor is telling you that you are charging for me, hello, please. I'm not charging you for the gospel. It is spiritual. I'm charging you for the music, for my because
for my walking.
If I'm telling you that Jesus is great, the pastor can easily say that wordily in words that Jesus is great. But if I'm saying like Jesus is great, You see that tone that I just used. I possess that with money. That is a tone. That is a note.
Invest in voice in.
So the thing is, that note I just made here, it comes with a price. You can't just get it for free. Do you know that presently, if you use any Rihanna or probably any of Justin Bieber's song on Instagram, probably you're just doing like this, and you post it on Instagram or probably on Facebook. Do you know that Facebook will block it or Instagram will block it? You know why? Because you don't have the right to use their content and you might be sued. That's why you see that outside Nigeria, if anybody is preaching, the first thing the preacher will say that I do not own the right to this song.
Benny.
But here, in the first place, go to drop on what anticipation. They don't do that UK. Mo drop on it, drop any other thing. We go drop, come download there. Download there. Mommy, an average up and coming artist in the UK is doing well more than all these things. Technically, they are blue. Oh, blue.
Oh, blue.
Oh, they are not going to be blue.
Benny,
so the thing is, a lot of things have been. My first album that I did, the pastor that came. I mean, I said, my father in the Lord. After album launch, Baba mi, Alpha Mutin Lord. Gbogbo offering. Iṣẹ́ kìíní. Gbogbo offering la kó fún wọn. I'm telling
all
you.
All the offering. Àti pledge.
Tí ń gbá mi ò rí àwọn artist tí mo pè wá mo tún lọ jáwó fún wọn lówó ni. So the thing is, everything has been in the first place. If we can be ticketing our programs, mommy, ìgbà tí small okay, at least an average club, probably an average up and coming artist, what you man ticket show only 3,000, 5,000, and when you mawa. But in Nigeria, to have the ticket show there, ni 1,000. Oh man, any problem with social media. You will see pastors, you will see a lot of people coming to you and telling you that you've entered the world.
Ti wọnú ayé ìjọ ti wọnú ayé ti wọnú ìjọ. Àlejò mi a sì máa sọ̀rọ̀ tó pọ̀ nítorí lẹ́yìn ticketing ẹ sì máa tún sọ àwọn ọ̀nà tá tún lè gbà láti máa dojú kọ irú àwọn nǹkan báyìí fún wa nítorí èmi ti fẹ́ràn ibi tí a kọ́kọ́ gbé ètò yìí gbà kí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn olórin tán wà nílé àti olórin ẹ̀mí o àti àwọn tí wọ́n ẹ̀mí o kí wọ́n lè kọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ kan tàbí méjì ṣùgbọ́n a fẹ́ dé òkè lọ́hùn báyìí sin a fẹ́ lọ fi ẹsẹ̀ rájò dé orí wo lẹ fẹ́ ká lọ wò nílé ká fi fẹsẹ̀ rájò.
Let's do Korede.
Korede.
Yeah, by Mike Abdul.
Mike Abdul. Bọ́dà mi Mike Abdul. A sì tún wà yín lórí ètò. Sì ti ṣèlérí fún wa pé ń bọ̀. A sì ń wá yín, a sì ń dúró dé yín. Ilé ká lọ wo Korede láti ọwọ́ Mike Abdul. Ká fi fẹsẹ̀ rájò. Tá a bá fi máa padà dé. Èmi àti àlejò mi, a máa tẹ̀síwájú. Ẹ kú kalẹ̀ máa ti lọ síbi kankan. À ń padà bọ̀. Ijiroro òwúrọ̀ lẹ́ṣin wa lórí Kaftan television Yorùbá tiyín èmi àti àlejò mi náà lájijọ́ ń jíròrò lóòrọ̀ ẹ̀ ní a sì ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa iṣẹ́ orin ní agbègbè tá a ti bára wa yìí nílé tó jẹ́ pé bọ́dà mi wọ́n sì ń dá wa lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tó pọ̀ wọ́n ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àwọn tó ń ṣe iṣẹ́ orin ẹ̀mí àwọn ọ̀nà tí wọ́n ti gbà kùnà nítorí pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn náà lè máa rí tí wọ́n ṣiṣẹ́ orin ẹ̀mí tí wọ́n sì tún máa sọ pé kò tiẹ̀ yé wa bí gbogbo ẹ̀ ṣe ń lọ. Àlejò mi wọ́n ṣe wọ́n kalẹ̀ wọn àdìgbì àlejò mi ẹ kú kalẹ̀ ẹ̀lẹ́ ẹmu tíì mo rí bí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn bó ṣe ń ka yín ní ara lẹ́ẹ̀kan kó tó di pé a lọ lé agbára mo ti sọ fún ara lé pé tá a bá padà dé ẹ sì máa tún sọ àwọn ọ̀nà tá a tún lè gbà láti máa dojúkọ irú kan báyìí bí àwọn olórin ẹ̀mí tí wọ́n sọ pé ọ̀fẹ́ ni o ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn oníṣẹ́ ìránṣẹ́ gan-an máa ní o lè má ṣiṣẹ́ orin ẹ̀mí kó o gbowó àwọn ọ̀nà wo la tún lè gbà láti tún máa dojúkọ irú àwọn kan báyìí.
Okay, like I said in the first place, Mama sort of more on gospel people because, you know, a lot of, see, let me just say this publicly. Most of the people you see on the poster are really, really not doing well. It is just pictures.
Picture ni.
It is picture, man.
Packaging.
Me le feed them me on.
On a package.
I'm telling you, me le feed them nothing day. Nothing day.
On a package.
Nothing day. So the thing is, in the first place, I already talked about ticketing and all that. The second one, I was actually going to talk about. I've actually forgotten. God. I was actually going to talk about that. I was going to talk about that. But the thing is, another one is gospel artists should not restrict their artistry career to singing Jesus, Jesus, Jesus only. Now, during lecture yesterday with my students at the office, I told them that the ones that they know as gospel artists are not gospel artists.
No.
Now, now, see, this is it. Gospel music. Now, what is the gospel? The gospel is simply the good news of Christ. Now, mommy, do you know that? Mama, do you know it is not a gospel song? Nah. Nah. No. Do you know that? I want to answer people one love. Do you know they are gospel artists? Because God is love.
God is love.
I'm telling you. So you don't have to have the Jesus factor in your song before a song is called gospel. You don't need the Jesus factor.
Okay.
You don't need the Jesus factor in a song for a song to be named gospel. Ma, have you heard this Master KG? Yeah, Jerusalem. Do you know the guy is not even a Christian?
And the
song is a gospel song. Should I shock you? Have you heard chant hallelujah? Kò gospel. Gospel. Do you want to tell me that Nana Mali is born again? But you know that a best quotation is a. You can't tell me.
Song.
So the thing is, it is not about the source, or probably it's not about where the song is coming from. It's about the content of the song.
It's okay.
It's about the. I don't care if you are smoking and
It's about the content.
It's about the content. Emma be no. Tony pe mo jasewo mo fún ní 50k male nígbà. No. That's what I'm saying, because ṣé mo pé nǹkan tá ń pọ̀ pa àwọn èèyàn kú nìyẹn nítorí pé Nazareth láti bí Jésù wọn gba ìrere tó ń sọ. Because of the source. So the thing is, okay, ma, I don't know if you usually watch an experience. Do you know that most of those experience programs, if you check that backside, you will see Don Jazzy and all those people there. Mommy. During the lockdown, me moboye wo live IG, live Instagram, Tiwa Savage. Ton kon onizim sele. Kini wọ́n kọ́ Kerubu your mommy during lockdown Tiwa Savage gba invitation from church ju secular lọ. I mean, she was chanting. Because, okay, ma, let me now shock you again. Do you know that tí gbogbo àwọn tó ń kọ secular songs tó máa fi lọ ṣe mistake diverse gospel wọ́n lé everybody dànù.
Tí ó pẹ́ níṣẹ́jú kan.
Mo máa ń sọ forget sí pé you are doing this thing.
Ṣé o fẹ́ fún Jumori ni náà fẹ́ jẹ ni? Àbí o fẹ́ ṣe kíni?
Imagine a gospel is saying that.
Àbí o fẹ́ kẹ́hùn.
Àwa ni ìmọ́lẹ̀ àwọn lòkùnkùn. What are you saying? Àwọn wo lòkùnkùn?
Kò tí Ọlọ́run kò sí sẹ́ni tí Ọlọ́run.
Àwọn lòkùnkùn. What are you saying? What are you saying? Àwọn wo lòkùnkùn? Daddy Korede Bello pastor ni.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
So what àwọn gan lòkùnkùn? Davido still goes to church till date. Davido last 3 weeks ó kọ sórí Twitter and Jesus, you love me too much. Mercy Chi will be blessing me all day. Ẹ̀yin lẹ ní issue pé àwọn kan kọ kíní. Mommy.
Yes.
I don't want to mention the artist name.
But
the artist said that Christians are Christians until it gets to reception and they will start playing secular songs.
Benny.
Now, Mommy, I now responded. I said that, Pastor, okay. I now said that, sir, do you expect me to play Waymaker when I want to make love with my wife? Which way? God is not making way. Now me won't make way.
Benny. Now so.
We are not doing love songs.
Yes.
At weddings, the only thing they do is to call a gospel artist to come and do lagbo. And man, when I tell you that secular artists are doing well, man. These last 2 years, Wizkid wrote it out on his page, said that please, so don't have any deal with my manager because I'm booked for the next 3 years.
Kábíyèsí Ọlọ́run.
No, who's shaking me? Don't if you I mean, you know when I'm saying years. I mean every day. And this every day on fly, you know,
Ọlọ́run tó máa wò mí níran ni.
So the thing is, it is not end. It is not end. Can you, Mommy, that is why most brand companies don't use gospel artists as ambassadors.
Benny. Náà ni mo wá ń béèrè pé kí ni kí àwọn gospel artists tá ń sọ yìí kí ni wọ́n lè ṣe káwọn náà lè bí kán tiẹ̀ bá lè súnmọ́ bí wọ́n tiẹ̀ ní lè pàdé àwọn secular music.
Okay, ma, let us do reality songs. Reality songs are love songs. Reality songs are songs that has to do with our day-to-day life. Yesterday, because I'm running some courses in the UK for a production course. For the first time in my life, wọ́n kọ́ wa ní Liberian music. I was confused. Kò yé mi. Kí ló ń jẹ́ Liberian music? Mommy, I saw, as in they gave us names of Liberian music artists. Mo dẹ̀ rí wọn, àwọn tó kí wọ́n ṣe wà yẹn. Wọ́n jẹ́ wo wọn. Their songs has to do with anything like. They just, there was a day that when the class nothing more musicotherapy. These are artists that just do songs that have to do with shabari. Some of them just speak in tongues, and while operation is going on, they just play the song during the operation. One then go back to back.
Ibi tí ẹ máa béèrè kan tá a bá padà dé torí a fẹ́ lọ lé agbára báyìí pé fún àwọn olórin ẹ̀mí tẹ́ mú ọ̀rọ̀ wọn sẹ́nu ilé ní pápá nítorí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn ló máa ń rò bí tó o bá ti blow kí gbogbo àgbáyé mọ̀ ẹ́ o lè rí tí ẹ ṣe èmi máa wá béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín pé ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ lórí ṣùgbọ́n ó dìgbà tá a bá padà dé kẹ́ tó dáhùn ìbéèrè yẹn a tún fẹ́ lọ dé òkè lọ́hùn ẹ̀ ká lọ fi ẹsẹ̀ rájò lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí ó ní mo lẹ tó fẹ́ ká lọ wù ká fi ẹsẹ̀ rájò lẹ́.
Let's do Mama Tọ́pẹ́ Àlàbí. Ìgbà tí mo rò ó iṣẹ́ ìyá ló láyé mi. I forgot the title of the song.
Èmi náà mo rántí ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi nínú ilé agodo wọ́n ní ká lọ fi orin mọ́ mi Tọ́pẹ́ Àlàbí ká fi ẹsẹ̀ rájò ìgbà tí mo rò ó dà pé ṣé iṣẹ́ ìyanu ni àbí títí ẹ̀ ní ká lọ fi orin ìgbà tí mo ro iṣẹ́ ìyanu rẹ nínú ayé mi ká fi ẹsẹ̀ rájò tá a bá padà dé a máa wá tẹ̀síwájú níbi ìbéèrè tí mo béèrè o náà ni àlejò mi ó ti gbé ẹ má gbàgbé wọ́n pera wọn ní olórin wọ́n sì máa tún kọrin fún wa gbogbo orin tí wọ́n ti rè kọ́ lókè òkun a máa gbọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀ lẹ́ni ẹ má ti lọ síbi kankan à ń padà bọ̀. Padà sórí ètò ìjíròrò òwúrọ̀ lórí Kaftan television Yorùbá tí yín nínú ètò àlejò mi náà la jọ ń jíròrò láàrin ni a sì ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ètò ọrọ̀ ajé orin ilẹ̀ tá a wà yìí eléyìí tí wọ́n sì ń dá wa lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tó pọ̀ a sì ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa orin ẹ̀mí àti àwọn orin ilé inú ayé àbí bò láti sọ sórí inú ayé ni ibi inú ayé náà gbogbo wa wà ṣùgbọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe mọ́ ń sọnù ẹ pé orin kan orin ayé orin kan ti ẹ̀mí mo béèrè kan ká tó tẹ̀síwájú nínú ọ̀rọ̀ tá à ń sọ kó tó di pa lọ sí lágbára wípé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn olórin ẹ̀mí tá à ń sọ yìí wọ́n ti gbàgbọ́ pé ẹni tó bá máa já gbangba ó gbúdọ̀ ti wà káàkiri àgbáláyé. Báwo ló ṣe rí lọ́dọ̀ tí?
Well, if we are talking about Nigeria, you need to be popular to make money.
Kí ló máa ń fà?
It is non-fixed price. It is like music production. There is no fixed price. One, no bready ma. So the thing is, tí ẹ bá fi lè bẹ̀rẹ̀ bakery lẹ́ni, kò ń ṣe pé ẹ máa kò ní pé bí abẹ́rẹ́ tó ń tà ní 15 naira bóyá ẹ máa kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ti tọ̀rọ̀ yín ní 20 naira bí akẹ́bà lè rí customer no iye náà lẹ́ máa tà tí ẹ bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ petrol ní iye tó ń tà they are fixed. Ṣé rí àwọn businesses tó ń bú wà very dangerous jù àwọn business tó ń pọ̀ jù wọ́n ní fixed price. I'm telling you like for example now in the UK you can't they have association music you will see music producers. Yes, see. As a music producer, if I'm recording a song for you as an artist, I have royalty on it. For every show you go, don't share for secular artists. They are music producers. Most of them are even out of Kenya, and they are still collecting royalty till date. And now, Doro, all those things, on that royalty. So the thing is, in Nigeria, you have to blow to make money. And you know what I'm saying? Kí ni nǹkan pàtó tí what's it called tí àǹtí Ramota tó ń ṣe? I mean nothing. I mean nothing. But the moment you are known, you are earning in Nigeria.
Also the nǹkan tó ń jà lé lórí.
So the thing is, the moment you are known in Nigeria, that is why everybody in Nigeria, everybody is pursuing influence. In the UK, everybody is pursuing brand content. Okay, ma, you will see that, I don't know if you know TV, no, but do you know why Lamborghini is not being advertised on TV? Because the buyers don't watch TV. And they just, you can't see business, they don't watch TV. I'm telling you, you will never see Lamborghini. Come on, this is the car. We just see that this car is worth so million. They will never advertise it on TV because the buyers don't watch TV. So the thing is, if there's no regulation in price when it comes to gospel, Emma Sherry, teba fi lè pay àwọn artist be 10 nínú program kan. Emma rí pé price wọn yàtọ̀ síra wọn.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Ó yàtọ̀ síra wọn. It shouldn't be.
It shouldn't be.
So if there is a fixed price, àwọn churches must sit up. I'm telling you, if there is a fixed price, àwọn churches must sit up. No, one sit up. So that is it. Until there is a fixed price, don't expect things to go the way they should go. If there's no fixed price, ọjà yẹn máa bàjẹ́ ni kí n tẹ̀ máa pàrọ̀ fún yín gan. Àwọn gospel artists mi gan wọ́n jẹ́ tó máa bẹ àwọn ní program ẹ̀jẹ̀ kí wọ́n minister.
A tún bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní lọ máa ṣe oríṣiríṣi.
So máa sọ fún ẹni tẹ́ pé sọ fún pé ìwọ tẹ́ gbà ń pè àwọn olómi gan tẹ̀ tó ń bẹ̀ wá kọ́ wá kọrin ni. You are spoiling business for another person.
For another person.
So the thing is, but sorry, but Tasha just got a 200 million house in Lekki some days ago. Tasha did not win BB Naija.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
She didn't win.
Kò win ni, bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
But the popularity gave her money. So the thing is, the first thing is, if you can go viral, if people can know you, Emma Binu, what is mommy calm down? Mommy calm down. If you know the amount of companies that have signed that boy as the ambassador in this country.
Hey.
No. Because that is why in Nigeria you don't need talent to blow.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni o. Tasha ti ṣe nǹkan tí ò ní ìtumọ̀. Èmi fẹ́ bèèrè wípé ìjọ wo gan-an la fẹ́ bọ́ nínú irú nǹkan báyìí. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ gbé àwọn content tó ní ìtumọ̀ dání. Ẹ̀rẹ́ ni pè yín. Ṣùgbọ́n ìwọ ṣáà kàn ti bọ́ sórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára, Instagram o, Facebook o, ṣe dìdìnrìn kan.
Imagine spelling Buhari's name wrongly, making somebody go viral.
Can you
Spell
imagine?
Buhari B-O-T-O. But if somebody had gone for an interview and if she spells it wrongly, wọ́n ní gbà sẹ́nu iṣẹ́. But boy, àwọn èèyàn bá ya photo. You know, this country will just make you feel as if you are lazy. As if you don't know what you are doing.
As if you don't
Yes.
know what you're doing.
Yes, you can't. No.
Téèyàn bá gbé ní tó dáadáa ní nítorí ìdí orin iṣẹ́ orin tá à ń sọ yìí pàápàá gbogbo àwọn tó ní originality ẹ̀ ní rí wọn ní gbòòrò àwọn tó jẹ́ pé orin olórin ni wọ́n ń tún kọ tí wọ́n máa fò sókè tí wọ́n máa jábalẹ̀ nídìí ẹ̀ àwọn lè máa tún rí àwọn olùṣọ́ àgùntàn gan tá à ń sọ̀rọ̀ ìtàn máa pè pé lágbájá ìwọ ni kó wá bá mi wá kọrin ìjọ́ wo la tó fẹ́ bọ́ nídìí gbogbo orú nǹkan báyìí nílẹ̀ ta wà yìí ká tẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àyẹn díẹ̀ ká tó kúrò ńbẹ̀.
Like I said, regulation is key. And regulation is key.
Mo mú ẹyọ kan dání.
Regulation is key. If you can't, Sherry, mommy. Ṣé mọ̀ pé bí Nàìjíríà bó ṣe watch tó àwọn tó ń ta pure water wọ́n ní association.
Wọ́n ní. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pure water oyè kan náà sì ni.
Oyè kan.
Láti bíbá ìlọdé Kàfàǹṣà.
I mean omi kan oyè kan náà ni. But you see, until there is a price regulation in the gospel industry, people will keep treating artists as trash.
Àlejò mi a sì máa tó padà sí díẹ̀ ẹ sì máa tó padà wá sórí ètò yìí lọ́jọ́ kan ẹ jẹ́ ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa tiyín náà díẹ̀ ó ti tó gbà ó tẹ́ ti wà nídìí iṣẹ́ orin ẹ̀mí.
Well, it's been over 15 years, man.
Ó ti lé ní ọdún 15 tẹ́ ti wà nídìí iṣẹ́ orin ẹ̀mí láti bí ọdún 15 yẹn kí ni àwọn nǹkan tẹ́ ti ṣe nídìí iṣẹ́ kásáré sọ torí àsìkò wa ti sáré.
Well, I've been firstly I was a drummer. So secondly, I started playing other instruments, piano, guitar, and all that. Then I dropped a couple of songs, you know, Babara, Kupoa, and all that things like that. Babara. Yeah.
I'm a gbọ́ Babara yẹn. Pé o lè máa fi dágbére fún wa lórí ètò lẹ́nu.
Babara. Then I ventured into music production professionally 10 years ago.
10 years ago. Kí ló sún yín sí ṣé torí ẹ mọ gbogbo instrument play lẹ ṣe wá wò pé iṣẹ́ music production yìí náà ó lè dín nǹkan kan.
Well, before I ventured into music production, I was into fashion designing because I learned fashion designing. Yeah, you understand. So the major reason for going into music production is for I wanted to express my creativity. So the thing is, majorly, I just love to be creative. I love to do things the way
people
don't. And so the thing is, I just love, you listen to a song, I just want to do it, in another way. And all that I know, as in, before you know it, I started, okay, let's do this, let's do that. So, and again, when I was in school, had make, beats, you sell beats, you got having beat at having sharing in the school, not like that. So
beats, láti gbà tẹ́tí wà school. Ó ti túmọ̀ sí pé ẹ̀yin gan gbogbo ọpọlọ yín kì í ṣe tilẹ̀ yìí. Kì í ṣe tilẹ̀ yìí. Torí èèyàn bá lè sọ pé láti gbà tẹ́tí ń ṣe nǹkan báyìí lẹ́tí ń ta beats. Ó túmọ̀ sí pé ọpọlọ yín ó ti jọ ti àwọn ará òkè òkun. Ẹ̀yin nísìnyí tẹ̀sí wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní pọnipọ̀ tó ti tó bí ọdún 10 àwọn olórin ẹ̀mí ńláńlá wò lẹ ti ní àǹfààní láti bá ṣiṣẹ́ kan. Àbí ṣé orin kí n tiẹ̀ tún bèrè gan pé ṣé orin ẹ̀mí nìkan lẹ máa ń ṣe àbí gbogbo orin tí wọ́n bá ti gbé dé ọ̀dọ̀ tiyín.
Now, ẹ má bínú. If you are saying orin ẹ̀mí, what do you mean orin ẹ̀mí?
A ti sọ yún látàkárọ̀ gbogbo orin.
Spiritual, because every song is spiritual.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
So there's not like, I say, only every song is spiritual. It is coming from somewhere. It is spiritual. It eats your inner mind before it makes sense to you. So the thing is, I make all kinds of stuff. Ìgbà tí mo wà ní mo ṣe 5 years ago, àwọn ọmọ kí là ń bá àwọn ọmọ tó ń ṣe kí là ń bá ṣe jọjọ tàbí bá ṣe kíní. So àrẹ ṣe fún àwọn Muslim àti àwọn Christian àtàwọn secular artists and all that. So I do all general. Tí wọ́n bá ti gbé dé ọ̀dọ̀ tí
yes ma'am. O náà ti di
yes ma'am. Ṣíṣe
bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ̀yin ẹni ẹ̀ tún ń ṣe ká kọ́ àwọn èèyàn lórin ká tó ṣe kínní báwo lẹ tún ṣe gbára yín nídìí àwọn èèyàn náà.
Well, like I said, I love creativity and in fact, when you see me play drums, I do that creatively. When you see me play the piano, I do that creatively. When you see me do a lot of things, I do that creatively. And the thing is, I actually feel uncomfortable when I see people do things normally. So the thing is, most times like that, I tend to say, okay, fine, let us, let's do this, in another way and all that one.
Yes, ma'am. Torí àsìkò mi ó ń sáré. Kí ni David Destiny? Kí lẹ̀ ń ṣiṣẹ́ lé lórí lọ́wọ́ báyìí? Kí ni àwọn nǹkan tẹ́ ń ṣiṣẹ́ lé lórí?
Well, I'm working on an EP. EP, though they're not gospel based.
Kí ni wọ́n máa ń pè ní EP?
EP ni àbúrò album.
Àwọn tí wọn ò mọ̀ tún mọ̀ EP.
EP ni àbúrò album. We have single, we have EP, and we have album. An album should be nothing less than 7 songs. And again, an album is a journey. An album is not when you drop one single, drop this one, drop that one, drop that one, you now create everything within an album. No, an album is a journey. Do you understand? So the thing is, an EP is a summary of what you've passed through so far. You understand? So the thing is, a single is just, just a normal song of you just expressing yourself. That's all. So, and again, we are planning on relocating, from our side to our own side too.
Yes, Ọlọ́run á ṣe. Amen. Mo ti sọ náà. Ó dáa. Ìgbà wo lẹ wá wò pé EP yẹn máa bọ́ ta?
Well, probably late this year. Torí mi ò fẹ́ ṣe ní bí kind of gospel kakọ drop ẹ pé ẹ̀mí mọ́ máa ti a fẹ́ lówó. Please, any artist that is listening to me, God will bless you.
Amen.
God will give you money.
Amen.
See, 1 million cannot blow a song.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, kò sí rọ́mbẹ́.
Sí, mọ́mí,
ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn
ní Èkó,
wọ́n kàn rí pé
owó yẹn ò lè tó láti ṣe radio promotion.
Lágbájá ń kọrin ni. Èmi náà sì fẹ́ lọ rèé mọ́ kọrin. Ṣebí ká ti wọ studio ká ti jáde ni, ká ti gbé sórí Facebook. Ká wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní disturb gbogbo ayé ẹjọ́ ẹ bá ń share ẹjọ́ ẹ bá ń share ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ náà ní ó bẹ share tí wọ́n tún mọ grumble pé kí ni gan wàhálà bọ̀bọ̀ ìtẹ̀ ti pọ̀jù tá bàbá share ẹ̀ sìn. Ṣé irú orin bẹ́ẹ̀ ń bo ló fẹ́ rìn dé? Tàbí torí ẹ ti wá wò irú orin báyìí ló ń rè ní sí o kákan ṣàròjọ́ sáàrin orin irú orin bẹ́ẹ̀ ní rè ní sìn èmi náà sì ti fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa kọ irú ẹ̀ láì tiẹ̀ ní ṣéǹjì tàbí kọ́ńtẹ́ǹtì gan. ẹ bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ sókè.
So owó yẹn gangan so the thing that at least báyìí sí tó lè bá tẹ̀lé ní bíi 5 million tó ṣe promotion díẹ̀ ní Nigeria tó ṣe promotion díẹ̀ ní South Africa tó ṣe díẹ̀ ní Senegal tó bá tiẹ̀ ní kúrò ní Africa ẹ mọ̀ olú ẹ̀ máa da ẹ mọ̀ as it should be intentional ẹ mọ̀ because if you want to reap the fruit of music business, you have to do it the way it should be done.
Should be done.
Yes, ma.
You cannot just sleep and wake up and get there.
No, ma. No.
Ẹ ṣe àlejò mi àti máa tún sọ̀rọ̀ tó pọ̀ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ má gbàgbé pé mo sọ pé ẹ máa kọrin kan fún wa àwọn ará ilé ṣàgbọ́dọ̀ gbọ́ òun yín ní kẹ́ tó lọ ṣùgbọ́n ẹ bá ń kọ́kọ́ dá gbére náà ẹ bá mi sọ gbogbo ibi táwọn ará ilé ti lè pàdé yín lórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára gbogbo àwọn tó tiẹ̀ ti fẹ́ràn yín bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ gbogbo àwọn tó fẹ́ wá porin pọ̀ lọ́dọ̀ yín ẹ bá ń sọ ẹ̀rọ ayélujára.
Okay, on Instagram I'm at David Destiny. The Destiny is 3 Y's, like 3Y. DAVIDDESTININYYY. And on Instagram too, it's the same thing. On Facebook, it is just David Destiny.
David Destiny.
Yes, ma'am.
YouTube ńkọ́?
Na YouTube it is David Destiny.
David Destiny.
Yes, ma'am.
Gbogbo bí tí ẹ ti lè bá àlejò mi pàdé òun náà ni wọ́n ti ṣàlàyé fún wa yìí. Gbogbo yín tàjọ ṣètò lẹ́ni gbogbo yín là ń kí ó sì dá mi lójú pé ẹ̀yin gan gbádùn ara yín dọ́gba nítorí pé a kọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ tó pọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ dẹ̀rẹ̀ àti tún dára wa lára yá. Èmi sì fi eléyìí ṣe lọ náà nìyẹn oníyanṣẹ́ ọlọ́kà ṣe gbogbo yín tàjọ jẹ́ gbogbo yín ẹ̀kọ́ àìbínú. Orúkọ tèmi Ọlá Ọ̀nàbàjọ àyàlúwa ṣe ńlá fún mi aláṣàkẹ́tì yín gangan tí ò kọ́ mọ́. Another one is a praise. It's a counterfeit. Wọ́n pé another one yẹn ṣe ojúlówó ayédèrú ni. Gbogbo bí tí a bá ti fẹ́ bá mi pàdé pátápátá Ọ̀nàbàjọ Ọláwálé ẹ lọ follow mi lórí Instagram náà kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ kí n wá bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ lórí Instagram wá bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ náà kájọ máa chat ẹ follow mi lórí Instagram ẹ subscribe lórí YouTube mi Ọ̀nàbàjọ Ọláwálé náà ni tó bá jórí Kaftan television Yorùbá lẹ́yìn náà tó fẹ́ bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ at Kaftan TV Yorùbá ẹ tẹ̀ lórí Instagram lórí YouTube lórí Facebook at Kaftan TV Yorùbá ẹ rí gbogbo nǹkan tí ẹ bá fẹ́ rí nípa wa ń bẹ̀ kó tó wá di pé màá sọ pé ó dàárọ̀ ó dìgbà kan náà mo ti ṣe ìlérí pé David Destiny a máa gbọ́ ohùn wọn ó yá ó ní wo lẹ fẹ́ kọ fún wa báyìí.
That's actually my song though. That's
okay na ó yá.
Bàbára tó mọ yìí ọmọ bàbára tó mọ yìí ọmọ ya. Bàbára tó mọ yìí ọmọ bàbára tó mọ yìí ọmọ. That's all man.
Ẹ̀rí nígbà ẹ̀mí ò tiẹ̀ lè ṣe ó yá gbé tí ẹ̀kọ́ mi èsì fún wa ká tó dágbére ẹja tó gbóhùn yín lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí àti ń gbádùn ẹ̀ ó ti ń dùn mọ́ wa ń dùn mọ́ mi.
Okay, let's do amazing Father, awesome ruler, that's who you are. Oh yes you are.
Yes you are.
Idi ebube obioma me. Great is our God. And greatly to be praised. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And Titobi Loluwa.
Yes, ma'am.
Kafile bawo. Kafile atayo. Kafile David Destiny. Bye.
Bye. Thanks for having me.